Question number 11. A check of rupees 500 received from Ram was dishonored and debited to discount allowed account. Okay. Check dishonored. When I receive the check, what entry do I pass? Bank account debit to the person from whom I have received. Here it is Ram. But when it is dishonored, I'll pass the reverse entry. So the right entry of dishonor of check should have been Ram account debit to bank. I debit the bank when I receive a check because my balance has increased, but here the check is dishonored, so I will have to credit my bank account. So Ram account debit to bank is my right entry. What is the wrong? The rectified and the wrong, reverse and the rectified entry. Right, wrong, reverse, rectify. What did I do? Debited to the discount allowed account. So what have I done? Discount allowed account debit to bank. This is what I have done and this is wrong. So I will have to reverse it. Bank account debit to discount allowed account. Okay, now comparing the right and the reverse entry, most important point, comparing. So bank and debit and credit is cancelled and my rectified entry is Ram account debit to discount allowed. Pick it from here. Which is 500. Understood the concept? We'll do few more questions for those who are still in the understanding phase. Question number 12 seems to be a long question. Let's read it. Amount due from Hari 1600 written off as bad debts in the previous year means 1600 has already been written off as bad debts in the last year. Unexpectedly recovered. I have received means bad debts recovered has been credited to personal account of Hari. Now this is actually a conceptual mistake which I am making, because once it is written off, when it comes back it is my income and has nothing to do with Hari's account, but I am mixing it with Hari's account. So how will I go now? Magic steps: right, wrong, reverse and rectified. Okay, what is the right entry? I have recovered my bad debts. So entry should have been bank account debit, since money is coming in, to bad debts recovered account. This should have been the entry, but I mixed it with Hari's account. What did I do? I said bank account debit and mixed it with his personal account to Hari. So now I will reverse this entry. Hari account debit to bank account. Now the rectified entry, compare the right and the reversed entry. Can I cancel something? Bank and bank can be cancelled. So entry is hurry, account debit, and credit is to bad debts recovered. To bad debts recovered account, and the amount is 1600. So this is finishing off the 12th entry. Let's go on to the 13th.